Hello everyone, welcome to the C# tutorials section of our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. This lesson is all about the repetition control structures in C#, specifically the do-while loop statement. The lesson includes sample programs to better understand how a statement works in C#. The do-while loop statement is a repeating statement that will execute a given block of code while a condition is true. The code inside the do-while loop will execute at least once, because the condition is verified after the code block is executed. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to 1. Demonstrate essential understanding on the repetition control structures. 2. Use do-while loop statement in a C# program. 3. Solve problems using the concept of do-while loop statements in C#. The while loop statement allows you to repeat a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. The code block will be executed until the condition is no longer true. This makes it ideal for scenarios in which you need to repeat a task a set number of times or until a condition is met. A while loop, for example, might be used to count down from a given number or to verify the status of a variable every time it changes. Line 1. We usually utilize the using keyword to add namespaces. Then, in the current page, it makes all of the classes, interfaces, and abstract classes, as well as their methods and properties, available. Line 3. This line indicates the name of the program, which is C# do-while loop. Line 7. The main method is where a C# program begins. Line 9. This line declares an integer type variable called number. We've also set the variable's initial value to 0. Line 10 to 14. This is the scope of the do-while loop statement. Line 10. The do-while loop starts in this line and will proceed directly to the body of the loop. Line 12 to 13. This is the do-while loop's body. The number of lines varies depending on the scope of the loop and the overall complexity of the program. The do-while loop's body only has 2 lines or statements in our scenario. Line 12. The value of the number variable will be displayed in the while loop's body. The console class's writeLine function is used to display text on the console. Line 13. The number variable will be increased by 1 with this line. Because we need to test the expression with the updated value of the variable, it is considered an update statement. This is also similar to number++. Line 14. This is while statement where the expression will be tested. The difference between while loop and do-while loop is that the body of the loop will be executed at least once. While a while loop examines the condition before executing the statements, a do-while loop will execute the statements at least once before checking the condition. If the expression is true, then it will continue to execute the loop body until the expression becomes or returns false. Line 15. This line's function is to keep the console from closing unless the user presses a key on the keyboard. Watch the video for the demonstration. Do-while loops are used to repeat a block of code while a condition is met. The condition is tested at the while loop statement, which is located at the end of the loop, and if it is true, the code within the loop is executed. This kind of loop will execute the body of the loop at least once, since the evaluation of the expression is tested in the end. The condition is then tested again, and if it is still true, the code within the loop is executed again. This process continues until the condition is no longer true. We hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Wishing you the best of luck with your projects. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. For more tutorials on C#, please like, share and subscribe to your channel. Happy coding!